Hey, what's up you guys? Brandon here. I'm back with another video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a fun unboxing package from a brand called Threadbeast. This is not a sponsored post, but Threadbeast sent this to me and I wanted to open it with you guys so we can all check this out. So Threadbeast is a men's streetwear subscription brand where they send you clothes every month, and their main goal is to make one less trip to go to the mall. And you already know we're at a pandemic right now.
Excuse me, mate. Keeping my 2 meters. What's all that about?
That's what, bitch. Coronavirus. Woo, woo, woo.
So I think it's a great idea to not see people. So it's pretty cool how they have a stylist who sends you clothes depending on what type of style you like. So I wanted to see if this was worth it and if I recommend this. Also, if you are enjoying this video right now, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I gotta put that in because I'm still starting my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more of these if you guys enjoyed this. This is actually pretty cool and pretty fun, so yeah. On the website, you basically create a profile and you just fill out different choices on what type of style you would like for your box or what type of style you wear. For my box, I asked for anything goes, which means anything that has a lot of colors, anything that has a lot of texture. You just have to fill out 3 questionnaires: the type of style you like, what kind of colors you wear, and what type of bottoms you wear. And then you basically just tell them stores you go to buy the clothes. The whole box is a total of how much you're paying. So yeah. So I thought it was really cool how they hit me up because I worked with them a while back. Their box says that they were curated with love in California. So they're based in California and they started this company in 2015. So I'm pretty excited to see what they sent me because I'm a really picky person when it comes to clothes. So I don't normally have people sending me clothes that I don't choose.
That is funny.
The first thing we got is this yellow t-shirt. And this is a very basic t-shirt. I don't normally wear these types of shirts, and this is a brand called Nautica, and this is in a medium, so you choose like your sizes and stuff. So I asked for, I think, medium all on top, and then I think I asked for 30, 28, 30, something like that, but yeah. And then also it comes with some boxers. I never heard of this brand.
You know what? I'm very forgetful.
So this is a brand called PSD. And then we have a long sleeve. So this is more of a rustic color, and it is a brand called Kappa. So Kappa is an Italian streetwear brand, fashion industry for a really long time. So this is more of like a vintage brand. So this is a long sleeve and it says Kappa on one of the sleeves. I think it says it for both. So it says it on both of the sleeves and it has like their logo. I like their color matching because they have a jacket that is exactly the same colors as my shirts. And this is a brand called Fairplay, and this is really awesome because I worked with Fairplay on many collaborations. This is pretty cool how they sent me a brand that I'm familiar with. So all the brands that they have are all streetwear brands. This one is a medium as well. And I like how there's like the color blocking. So like they have the rustic burnt color. This is a corduroy jacket and it has like brown and like the light beige color. So this is pretty cool. These denim jeans, and this is a brand called Dope. So if you guys don't know Dope, Dope is a brand. Oh, it's pretty cool. Dope and Steez. So Dope is an LA streetwear brand. They've been in the scene for a really long time. This is pretty cool how they sent me some denim jeans. I like how this is button rather than like the zipper. So these jeans are 98 bucks. So I think everything totals to $250. Really?
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
I guess. This is like a light grayish blue. It has like the distress on the bottom of the jeans, not like too crazy, which is cool. And then it has like the bullet holes, so you get like an outfit for every month on what type of box you would want. So I think this is a really cool concept and a really cool package that everyone gets, because everyone doesn't normally get the same box. They're basically customizing for you and making your styling less of a stress, because there's a lot of people who don't know how to pair a lot of clothes, who just buys certain types of clothes but doesn't know anything about like the colors or color blocking or layering and stuff. So I think this is really cool, having your own personal stylist to get you on the right track. So let's see what I come up with. I think I can come up with a really cool concept, a really cool idea with this. And yeah, shout out to Threadbeast. Thank you for sending me this. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias at Dope and Steez, on my Instagram, my TikTok, my Pinterest. I'm on Clubhouse now, so follow me on Clubhouse. I think I have like a couple more unboxings. So if you guys like this video, I'll be doing more episodes and more series of these, because I have more packages that I haven't opened yet. And this will look really cool with my space. So that wraps up my video for today. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to stay steezy. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye.